this turbo's begging for help.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today is going to be a very fun one. I haven't been having fun in the last week or so because the S650 has been parked. If you guys did not know, this is a twin turbo S650. It has comp oilless air-cooled turbos, which means they need to be greased every like 3,000 to 5,000 miles. And these turbos are screaming right now in pain. Now, all of my turbo cars, which two of them, have the same turbos, the comp air-cooled turbos, and you get a little tube of grease like this and a grease gun, and you just need to pump it full of grease. It honestly takes more time to put the car in the air than it does to grease them. So I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like. We're going to start it up, go on a drive, and come back so you can hear what it sounds like when they need grease, and then we'll obviously show you how to do it as well. Because when they're loud, they actually sound really good. That's going to be a lot quieter. Did that turn you on a little bit?
A little bit, dude.
You want me to do it again?
Yeah.
Oh, look, we broke that neck. I don't want to do it to record me and then get mad. I like it at all.
Can we just hear the turbos on this thing?
I can try. Camera's not going to pick it up like in real life, but every time it does that, doesn't it just like make you bust a little?
Just a little bit.
Just listen, just listen, just listen. Turn your sound up, turn your sound up. Check engine light. Kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. I do have one, but it's not a new one, it's the same one. Just gotta get them warm a little bit. I don't get the turbos warm.
How do you think they're feeling right now?
Let's ask them. Hey guys. How we sounding? We'll hear once we come to our stop.
I don't even hear them. Did they get greased?
Dude, did you grease these last night?
I don't hear them at all.
I don't even think we need to grease them.
We might not have to. Either that or they're not working.
I don't know. I felt like they were working.
Yeah. Like that.
Sorry,
Well, the turbos definitely still function.
they do work.
I think they're already greased.
We'll see. Once we go park, you can get out. I'll back up because that's usually when it's the worst. We'll see.
See if we can hear these turbos. Hear that great noise down here? You hear this turbo's begging for help?
Next step, we are going to jack the car up. I just need to get enough angle to where I can grease both the turbos, which are kind of under where you sit, so it shouldn't be too difficult. So we're gonna load up the grease gun. We got our grease, that's what it looks like, right there. Oh, do we need to take that off? Seems like we need to take that off. This is something your parents are supposed to teach you, but see the hole, and then you just put it in there and slide it on in. Easy peasy.
Ready? You'll hear it. Just there you go.
There we go. We're
connected to the grease fitting. Gotta give her some pumps, dude. Oh wait, you gotta hit this. There we go.
Can you feel?
Hang on. You can hear it if you listen real close. You can see it coming out of the fitting. That means I didn't do a good enough job of tightening it.
Can you feel the grease greasing?
You can hear it. Shut. I guess that stays there. And no, this is a tough pull off. Golly. Can't pull it off.
What do you do in that situation?
I don't know. Lay here and hope the car falls. So here is the little fitting. Sorry for the weird angle, but I am trapped under a car. That's the little fitting right there. The gun just fits right up to it. You pump it a couple times and then you have to yank with all your might to pull it off if you're Parker. Really weird angle. Okay,
There you go.
We're connected.
Do you hear it this time?
Yeah.
Now we're getting some pumping action going. You can see it's splooging out at the top.
I'll just do that right here. I don't want to punch myself in the face.
That would be so funny.
Look at all that. You. Nice. Now we're going to put the car back on the ground, start it up again, and you should hear a little less turbo. Unfortunate, because I like when the turbos are loud. However, the turbos do not like when they are loud. So I'm thinking I did a fine job. If not, we'll just put some more grease in. I think we did a good job.
I'm gonna be completely honest though. I like them more without grease than I do with grease.
I agree. However, unfortunately, it gets expensive when they don't have grease, so.
It does, but.
Everybody kind of steers away from the oilless turbos because they say it's more work or it's complicated. As you saw, and if you know me, I don't know what I'm doing. It's actually very simple. Like I said, it takes longer to put the car up or it takes longer to get the gun off of the fitting. I had some trouble with that, but either way, that's simple. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have oilless turbos or are looking into them, I hope this swayed your decision in a good way. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.